Suppose f of x is equal to 5x squared and g of x is equal to 3 minus 1 over x, for example. Okay, so I ask you, what is f of g of minus 1, for example? So in this case, you just have to write what it means. It means f of g of minus 1. So if you just get g of minus 1 first and then you substitute in the f, then it becomes okay. So what is g of minus 1 anyway? What is g of minus 1 anyway? Just substitute. Yeah, substitute 3 minus 1 over minus 1, which is 3
over 3 plus 1.
Plus 1, exactly, plus 1. 3 plus 1. So that's 4. That's 4. You take this 4, okay, and put it in the f. So f of 4 now. F of 4 now, because this became 4 now. I just got this, right? F of 4. So just put x equal to 4 right here, okay, and then multiply by 5. So you get what? 5 times 16, which is 80. That's it. So the answer is 80. Okay, so that the answer required is actually 80. This is what he wants, and I got it equal to 80. Okay, so that's how you get the composition of function in the case you have numbers. Clear? Okay, suppose I ask you here, how about g of f of x? How about g of f of x? Let's get another, for just practice, g of f of x. What if I want g of f of x. So in this case, it will be g of f of x. So you have to write f of x first. What was f of x, if you remember? Right? F of x was 5x squared, right? Okay, 5x squared. So that is 5x squared. That's g of 5x squared. Now what does the g itself does? The g itself is 3 minus 1 over x. 3 minus 1 over x. So that means 3 minus 1 over 5x squared. You just put this 5x squared down instead of the x. Okay? And then if you want to have a common denominator, let's have a common denominator. So that means 3 times 5x squared, multiplying here by 5x squared divided by 5x squared, and then minus 1 over 5x squared. Why am I doing this? Because I would like to have a common denominator. So that will be 15x squared minus 1 up divided by 5x squared down. And that's it. That's it. Just have a common denominator and then leave it. This will be the composition that he is asking for. Okay? Any questions? What is the domain of this function, by the way? What is the domain? X can be anything, or there is some exceptions. Can x be 0?
Yes. No.
You'll be dividing by 0 here, right? And you cannot divide by 0. Remember, you cannot divide by 0. That's why x cannot be 0. Any value except 0. This is the domain.